Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shows onto Watchlist on your Disney Plus account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Disney Plus, within which if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can browse through various different shows. Simply click on any show that you are interested in and you can watch the trailer of the show. If you feel like you want to watch this show, then you can click on the plus icon at the right side of the play button and this will turn into a checkbox, which means that it has been added to your watch list. In order to access your watch list, simply click on watch list at the top section and you will now be taken into your watch list page, within which you can find all of the shows that you have added onto your watch list. You can go ahead and watch these shows at any time that you wish. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add shows onto your watch list on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.